Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Mr. Jones Crasto and I would like to welcome you to Jones Crasto, your ultimate destination for entertainment and news. Explore our YouTube channel for the latest in news and entertainment, complemented by expert insights on mergers and acquisitions, the buying and selling of exclusive real estate, luxury yachts, corporate jets, helicopters, and their global operations. Discover cutting edge submarines, cutting edge guidance on satellite launches, military submarines, aircrafts, tanks, aircraft carriers, and more. Visit jonescrasto.com or reach us at jonescrasto@gmail.com for further details. Thank you for joining us. Now let's dive into today's discussion. Iran's Su-35 S- Su-35 fighter jet deal, a game changer for regional defense. Discover how Iran's finalized deal for the Su-35 fighter jets will reshape its military capabilities and regional power. Dive into this exclusive breakdown to understand the significance of this strategic move. Don't forget to subscribe for more defense and aviation insights that keep you ahead of the curve. Introduction. Iran's leap in air defense. Iran's long anticipated order of Su-35 fighter jets has finally been confirmed, marking a significant milestone in its quest to modernize its aging air force. The Sukhoi Su-35, one of Russia's most advanced fighter jets, is poised to bolster Iran's defensive and offensive capabilities, offering technological advancements that could alter the balance of power in the Middle East. What does this acquisition mean for Iran's military ambitions, its regional adversaries, and global geopolitics? In this story, we will explore the technical features of the Su-35, Iran's defense needs, and how this deal strengthens Tehran's strategic position. Why the Su-35? A strategic choice. The Su-35 is a fourth generation plus 4.5 Gen fighter jet known for its versatility, agility, and state-of-the-art avionics. For Iran, acquiring the Su-35 is a game-changing step to address its outdated fleet, which mostly consists of aging American-made F-4 Phantom IIs, F-5 Tigers, and F-14 Tomcats, purchased before the 1979 Iranian Revolution. Key reasons behind the choice: enhanced air superiority. The Su-35 is designed for air dominance with capabilities to outperform most modern jets in dogfights. Advanced technology. Equipped with sophisticated radar systems and avionics, it provides superior situational awareness and targeting precision. Combat versatility. The Su-35 excels in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, making it a multi-role fighter. Economic feasibility. Russia's willingness to sell advanced weaponry to Iran amidst Western sanctions alliance with Tehran's budget and political constraints. Technical marvel. Su-35 features at a glance. The Su-35 is more than just a fighter jet. It's a flying fortress of innovation. Here are some of its standout features. Super maneuverability. Thanks to thrust vectoring engines, the Su-35 can perform complex maneuvers, evading enemy radars and missiles with ease. Irbis E-radar system. This advanced radar can detect targets up to 400 kilometers away and track 30 targets simultaneously. Weapon arsenal armed with air to air missiles, guided bombs, and precision strike capabilities. It is designed to neutralize diverse threats, speed, and range with a maximum speed of Mach 2.25 and a range of over 3600 kilometers without refueling. The Su-35 offers extended operational flexibility, stealth features. Though not a fifth generation stealth jet, the Su-35 incorporates stealth technology to reduce radar cross section. These features make the Su-35 a formidable asset in Iran's arsenal, significantly enhancing its air force capabilities. Iran's defense needs closing the gap. Iran's air force has faced decades of neglect due to international sanctions, technological stagnation, and limited access to advanced equipment. With regional rivals like Saudi Arabia and Israel possessing cutting edge American and European fighter jets, Iran has been at a disadvantage in terms of air power. The Su-35 deal addresses these gaps by modernizing the fleet, replacing absolute aircraft with advanced platforms, boosting air superiority, offering credible deterrence against potential aggressors, expanding strike range, increasing Iran's ability to project power across the Middle East, regional implications shifting the balance of power. Iran's acquisition of Su-35 has sparked concerns across the region. Here's why. Israel's perspective. Israel views Iran's enhanced capabilities as a direct threat, particularly given ongoing tensions over Tehran's nuclear program. Saudi Arabia and GCC countries, Gulf Cooperation Council nations led by Saudi Arabia may ramp up their own military procurements to counterbalance Iran US concerns. The United States, already wary of Iran's regional influence, may increase arms sales to its allies to maintain strategic dominance in the Middle East. Iran's Su-35 acquisition is also likely to deepen its defense ties with Russia, a relationship already strengthened by Iran's reported supply of drones for the Ukraine conflict. This alignment, this alignment raises alarms for NATO countries as it challenges Western influence in the region. The deal's strategic timing. The timing of this deal is no coincidence. Amid growing isolation from the West, both Iran and Russia see mutual benefits in strengthening their defense partnership. For Russia, Iran's order provides financial relief amid sanctions over the Ukraine conflict. Moscow gains a key ally in a geopolitically critical region. For Iran, the deal signals defiance against US led sanctions. Tehran leverages its relationship with Russia to secure advanced technology unavailable elsewhere. Challenges and potential risks. While the Su-35 offers numerous advantages, Iran's air force modernization faces several challenges. Maintenance and integration. Iran must develop the logistical and technical infrastructure to maintain and integrate the Su-35 into its existing fleet. Pilot training. Advanced jets require well trained pilots, and transitioning to a new platform can take years. Countermeasures. Regional adversaries like Israel and the US are likely to develop countermeasures to neutralize the Su 35 threat. Geopolitical backlash. This acquisition could escalate tensions, leading to increased military spending and a potential arms race in the Middle East. Global comparisons. How does Su-35 stack up? To understand the impact of Iran's Su-35 deal is helpful to compare it with other modern fighter jets in the region. Israel's F-35 Lightning II, a fifth generation stealth fighter with unmatched capabilities. The F-35 remains superior in terms of stealth and networked warfare. Saudi Arabia's Eurofighter Typhoon, a highly maneuverable multi-role jet but less advanced in avionics compared to the Su-35. And UAE's Rafale. France's Rafale offers excellent versatility and precision but lacks the raw power of the Su-35. While the Su-35 may not rival fifth generation jets like the F-35, it provides Iran with a significant leap in capability, narrowing the technological gap with its rivals. Iran's vision, strengthening its defenses. Iran's defense strategy has long prioritized asymmetrical warfare, focusing on missile technology, drones, and unconventional tactics. The addition of Su-35 fighters, represents a shift toward conventional military strength, signaling Tehran's intent to enhance its overall deterrence and power projection. This acquisition also aligns with Iran's broader vision of achieving self reliance in defense. While the Su-35 provides an immediate upgrade, Iran continues to develop its indigenous defense industry to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers. Conclusion. A bold step forward. The finalization of Iran's Su-35 order is a significant development in global defense dynamics. By acquiring these advanced fighters, Iran has taken a bold step toward modernizing its air force and strengthening its position in the region. However, this move also raises questions about the potential for increased tensions and an arms race in the Middle East. For now, the Su-35 serves as both a symbol of Iran's defiance and a warning to its adversaries, highlighting the ever evolving nature of military strategy and geopolitics. Stay tuned for more stories that unravel the complexities of global defense. Like, share, and subscribe to join the conversation. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.